Hello and very welcome. Today I would like to introduce my V9 Pro drum module. It's a Bitwig Studio preset that combines all the Bitwig V9 drum synthesizer modules within one comprehensive unified rack, so that you can have easy access from the front panel to all the modules. And in combination with the included drum pattern script, it provides over 900 presets across 10 electronic music genres. And also it provides intelligent velocity systems, which are also very authentic, genre specific. And this delivers everything you need to have nice rhythm patterns for the V9 drum module. So let me quickly explain how to install it and also how to use it, of course. As always, first of all, in this case, you have to load the module itself. So this is the preset. You can drag and drop or just pick it from your library. And then that's how it looks like. As you can see here, it's a drum module rack and that contains all the modules here, and you have access from the front panel. And as I told you, in addition, you need the specific controller script that provides the MIDI notes. And here you can see it's already activated. I can also delete it again. So add controller, generic, then you choose Giana Brotherz, and then you load this one. And there you have it. And simultaneously, you can see here the controller script is activated and it looks like this. So how does it work? First of all, you have to dial in a clip. So, and then you can select how many bars you want to generate the MIDI notes. Let's stick with 2 bars. And here you have some parameters for shuffle functionality. You can adjust the global shuffle, but also shuffle per instrument. I leave it like it is for now and just hit generate to generate a kick. I mean, actually, it's a refactoring of my drum module generator, and the whole code structure is refactored. And also I added a new genre, which is R&B. And also the quality of the note patterns is like way better than it has been in the past. So yeah, I mean, let's just generate some stuff. Here you can pick the style, and let's just go for house and kick. And then here's a simple 4/4 Chicago house, and let's have a listen. So first of all, you can shape everything which is related to the kick over here. Actually, this is just triggering the module here under the hood. And as you can see here, the script has thrown the kick data in its C2 note, which triggers the kick, and we can just go ahead and continue and generate more patterns. Let's add claps. And here you can see it also generates velocities. Let's add some, or let's just skip through some presets and check some clap variations. And continue with some close hi-hats. Some open hi-hats. right. Rim shot, toms. And if we want to change the shuffle globally, we can adjust the shuffle here. And then just hit repaint. And then you will realize that the notes got shifted according to the shuffle amount. You can make it more drastically. We can also then go back to 0, or as it is notes, we can also just go like reverse here and reverse the patterns. But then it will be regenerated note by note. Not regenerated, it will be removed note by note. So you can also go for cleared, then everything is cleared. You can change it here back to 0. And the cool thing is that you can also just change the shuffle of the hi-hats, which makes probably more sense than global shuffle. Anyway, we can scroll through some more genre. Let's go for techno and hit generate, start with a kick. Snare, clap. Some toms. Hi-hats. And again, you can also at any time change how everything is tuned. Basically every parameter the modules provide. I also added some effects, drive, convolution reverb, compressor, and 2 filter, hi-hat, high pass. Let's go back to the notes, continue to create some more presets. What you can also do is you don't have to stay for every generation in the style. You can also go for breakbeat and regenerate. Then you will keep the groove of the techno style, but probably just exchange the kick and the snare. Let's do that. There you go. You see, now everything stays in the techno group on the hi-hat side, but changing the snare and the kick provides the breakbeat kind of vibe. But we can adjust this as well, just by hitting this, and then you have a more breakbeat all over the instruments. We can also go to different, let's go for trance and start from scratch and create some stuff. Yeah, I mean, of course you have to raise the speed. and do the adjustments on the audio side of things. Let's go for another genre. Let's check out the R&B which I added. Let's clear and go for, where is it, R&B. That's the last thing I added. Let me mute the clap for now. That's funny. What I really like is that you can just do that on the fly and exchange notes, and at the end you have everything in the piano roll and edit it further or change it or whatever you want. It's super nice. Let's go for trap. Why not trap? And raise the pattern length probably to 8 bars. Makes sense as there are a lot of 32th and 64th like rolls on the hi-hat side of things, so it makes sense to extend it because in the 2 bars loops they probably not approach. So let's clear and do this and see what it gives us. And also we need to Of course, it's not only the notes, it's also how you do the adjustments over here and add some automations on the hi-hat, some open closing automations, stuff like that. What we can also do is go back to 2 bars, go for another genre, why not? Ah, by the way, if you click on generate all random, that means picks like any genre, any pattern and combines it. I need to select the clip first. Sure. And what I so far forgot to tell you, there's also a fill generator. Let's go through it and start to generate some fills. They will be added at the end of the pattern, and also they are genre related, so it's not always sounding great. It depends on the genre. For the sake of time, let me start from here, and I think you all can imagine the previous part combined with the fill, so that we can have just a focus on the fill. Select again. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Also you liked the preset and the pattern script. You can download the script as always from my Patreon page. Please like and subscribe, and hope you see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.